How to download Rocket League on iPhone and iPad. I'm going to tell you how to download Rocket League on iPhone and iPad. Now, Rocket League itself isn't available on the App Store, but its mobile version called Rocket League Sideswipe is. It's an official release by Psyonix made just for mobile devices. Just open the App Store, search for Rocket League Sideswipe, and hit download. It's completely free and designed specifically for touchscreen gameplay. The experience is different from the full console version. It's side view, faster paced, and way more arcade like. But it's still a lot of fun and has online matchmaking, custom car options, and ranks. If you were hoping to play the full Rocket League game on mobile, that's not possible yet. There's no cloud gaming version or workaround that runs the console version smoothly on iOS as of now. But for casual competitive play on mobile, Sideswipe is your best and only official option.